Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dwight here. I just wanted to do a quick review of Perpetual Income 365. I know it's one of the top promoted items on ClickBank right now. And if you are promoting this item right now, I want to tell you and show you exactly why you should stop. This is not a good product. I was one of the many people who bought into this system, as a new affiliate marketer, and I gave it my all and bit in full fledged. Did all the training videos, and I think the premise of the system is actually what got me sold on it, which I'm not easy to sell on anything. I'm a seller. Most people in the world are buyers. Some people are sellers. I'm more of a seller. But so I'm not easily sold on anything, this was in the beginning of my affiliate marketing career. This was actually the first product that I ever promoted as an affiliate marketer. Second product, actually. But once I, found a niche and decided to stick with the niche, which was business opportunity, because I wanted to provide opportunity for people. I wanted to, help people do what I was able to do, or at least trying to do at that point, which was make a business online and not have to work for anyone else ever again. And so far, I haven't worked for anyone else ever again. Praise God. Thank you for that. Hope that continues. But anyway, so back to Perpetual Income 365. So I bought in, I went hard on it, spent a ton of money on solo ads promoting this product. I probably spent right around $1,500 on solo ads alone promoting Perpetual Income 365. The good side of it, I did make my first ever sale as an affiliate promoting this product. I got my first ever ClickBank check from Perpetual Income 365, which was, I believe it was $98 and some change. Took me about 2 months to get that, I think it was. But so anyway, I did make my first check, but like I said, I accumulated a total of $98 and change after running about $1,500 worth of solo ads. Let's see, what else can I tell you about it? Now, let's talk about the system itself. Okay. The system tells you, okay, let's do this. Let's hook up your autoresponder, hook up your ClickBank account, and then all you have to do is click this, click that, make your money page, and then just continuously send traffic to the money page, And the guy, Sean Josiah, I don't know exactly how I feel about him. He's obviously successful as an affiliate marketer. I just don't know if, everything that he promotes as far as the trainings in that system are ethical. I won't say ethical. I believe he's ethical, but I believe he's also, even when someone is ethical, they're also self-motivated. And it's his program. And obviously, the more people who use the program, the more money he makes. He's also getting all of the, I would be willing to bet any amount of money that he's also an affiliate of GetResponse as an autoresponder. So he's getting all those commissions as well. And then everyone who's buying traffic through the Udemy is a section in the site. I would guarantee you that he's affiliated that as well. So he's self-motivated, and getting people to continuously just pump money into buying solo ads for this program. And you'll see some people who say they have success. If you actually look back, you'll actually see me as one of the success stories a few months back in ClickBank in Perpetual Income 365. But what it all boils down to is that I would say, I think my percentage on ClickBank said I was at a 35% refund rate. So 35% refund rate. I mean, if you're not paying attention to that as an affiliate marketer, you're definitely going to find yourself in a situation like I did, blindly just trying to believe in the system. Didn't know any better. I was committed to it, all pumped up, emotionally involved in it, and said I'm going to make this work. You'll end up in the same situation that I did, dumping a bunch of money into solo ads that will get you nothing. So I believe, again, Sean Josiah, I believe he's self-motivated, even though I do believe, he acts ethically because he believes in the system. But I believe that, very, 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 very small percentage of the people who actually buy this system and promote it actually make money with it. I believe that, I've talked to numerous other affiliate marketers in the group of the Perpetual Income 365, who have told me they've had the similar experience of, pumping money into solo ads and, all the high refund rate. There are some good things to the system. I won't just totally bash it. Sean Josiah does provide a lot of valuable information in the training systems, in the training series in that system. But then again, is that value worth $55 a month or $50, whatever, 40, well, I forgot what is it, 49, or I think it was $53 and some change after the tax with ClickBank. So is the value that you're getting for those training videos worth that amount of money? No, it's not. And if you look into if you can verify, anyone who's watching this video, if you're in the Perpetual Income 365 Facebook group, just go ahead and go in the group and scroll and look down and see, all of the people who are new, who are being, blindly misled to thinking that, this system is going to work for them, who are complaining about refunds, complaining about software issues. I had one, oh my goodness. Imagine this situation as a new affiliate marketer. Okay, so mind you, I told you I'm very, emotionally attached to the system, trying to make it work, thinking that this is going to be the system that's going to, provide me financial freedom. And only thing that's happening is, you're pumping money in, and then nothing's happening. But then imagine this. So I set up a series of solo ads. I believe I set up about 7 solo ads to go run all consecutively. So I set up all the solo ads, paid for all my solo ads, and about 24 hours later, the system is hacked. So none of the money pages are working. People cannot get to the sales page. Everything's not working. So I contacted support, tried to get them to, see, what was going on. Long story short, the remedy for everyone for that fiasco was him doing a contest for you to promote it more and try to get some money from this contest by promoting more into a system that's already not providing you any income. So to me, that just, that didn't sit very well with me. That was, a couple of $100 out of the money that I committed into trying to promote this system. So I don't want to make this video too long. It's already been about 9 minutes long. I'm trying to think if there's anything else good that I can say about this system, because again, I don't want to be one of those people who, just bash a system because they tried it and it didn't work. I believe that, any system, anything that you buy into as far as affiliate marketing, I believe that they're all tools. And, any tool is only as good as what you do with it. But at the same time, some tools can lead you to believe that they can help you to make something that you really can't make with that tool, because the tool has flaws. Okay. Is there anything else good that I can say about it? Well, I guess I can say that they do try to give you support. Medela Danica, I can't. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing her name wrong, but when you reach out to her, she does usually get back to you. She's like she introduces herself as Sean's assistant when you first come into the program, um, and she does usually do a pretty decent job of responding through Facebook Messenger when you do have a support issue. Is The problem is usually the remedy is usually subpar, at least for my standards, and I don't think I have extremely high standards. I think I just held up. I think that you should hold up to what you advertise. I think that you should stick to your word and back what you say you're going to do. That's how I promote my products, anything that I do promote. And I try to be a product of the product, which is why I went so hard to promote that product. Again, and this is just my opinion. I want to make a disclaimer. This is my opinion. I'm sharing my personal experience with this product. Maybe I should have did that in the beginning. But this is my review, so take it for what it is. Do your own research. I think if anything is as in anything, you should always do your own research. But for me, I just think that if you are thinking of promoting this product, there's definitely a ton of other products that are better. Of course, I will leave my affiliate link to a product that I am promoting that I truly hardly believe in. I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, great. I'll also leave a link to my website, onlinebizpros.com. For those of you who may have saw the name and wondered why is it spelled with two Z's, because my dream for this company, Online Biz Pros, I put two Z's because we're going to get more sleep. If making money while you sleep is the game, Online Biz Pros is the name. So that is my motto. That is our company motto, and that is what I believe in. And, I believe in, like I said, being a product of the product, doing things ethically, not just trying to do things to make a quick buck. And I believe that having those standards is what is going to continue to bring me the success that I have gotten, and continue to take me to even higher heights. So I guess I'm going to sign off for now. I hope you guys will stay tuned, keep checking out my videos. As you can see, I'm fairly new on YouTube, not so very comfortable with this whole video thing, but you know what? I decided I wanted to give an open and honest opinion and review of a product that I had in-depth experience with. So I didn't want to write anything and try to come across as some kind of guru. Oh, hey, I know everything about affiliate marketing, and this is why you should listen to me. No, I'm an average guy who started doing affiliate marketing. I found this program, which I think a lot of people have, and it led me astray for a few months until I found something that finally did, deliver on, what it promised. So, again, if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link for that in the bio. And hope you guys will stick with me and check some more of my videos. See you later.